Drama and comedy. Think of your favorite movie or TV show. Is it a drama? Drama is literature that is written in order to be performed. Before cinema and TV shows, people would go to the theatre to be entertained. Two of the popular types of plays were tragedies and comedies. A tragedy is a story ending unhappily, with something terrible happening to the hero. A comedy is a funny story, which usually has a happy ending. One of the most famous playwrights is William Shakespeare. He wrote hilarious comedies and heartbreaking tragedies. As You Like It is a very funny comedy. Rosalind dresses up as a boy and escapes to the forest. There she meets Orlando. What will happen when Orlando finds out she is a girl? Hamlet is a sad tragedy. When his father dies, Hamlet's uncle Claudius becomes the king. The ghost of Hamlet's father tells him that Claudius murdered him. Will Hamlet take revenge? Romeo and Juliet is considered one of the great love stories. Romeo and Juliet like each other, but their families are enemies. Will they be together? Do you think Romeo and Juliet is a tragedy or a comedy? These plays are still performed all around the world. Which one would you like to see?